6, 2017. Mark Wine Trader here. This is the opening one minute chart. So as you can see here, here's what happened overnight. Okay, which is good. We like that. And we want it to continue because we want IB rank to pop. Here's the 15-minute chart. So as you can see overnight, okay, so over here one tick is every 15 minutes. So if I zoom in, there's really nothing here yet. But here's what I'm looking for. Right? I'm looking for, yeah, it just keeps tweaking a little bit. So hold on. Yeah, look at that high. So I'm on IB rank to continue. It's a little bit higher than yesterday, 8. And it might go higher. So here's what I'm doing. If you can watch, if you're not doing anything and you can watch throughout the day, you might want to just keep an eye on the ticker, or for example SPY. Actually, let me look at ES real quick. Okay, I use ES because it's just quicker data. So here's what I want. We do want it to continue lower, because as it continues lower on your 15-minute chart, your IB rank should go up. All right, and that's what we want. But you're not going to be trading /ES. It's way too big, so you will be doing SPY, or if you're starting out, it's safer. So here's a daily chart. See, it's red tick. We want IB rank to climb. So just check throughout the day. If especially the last 30 minutes, check. What if they sell off? So you want to get on a trade today, something small maybe, just to stay engaged. And you can put in your golden geckos. Anytime today. Today's the perfect 45 days to expiration. Okay, if you go to wait, let's keep this on chart, and I'll go to Tasty Works, go to trade, and put an SPY right there, and you will see, if you go to strategies and you go to set your default iron condor settings right here, and you want to go closest to the normal monthly expirations, you hit go, and see, it's perfect 45 days today. Okay, if you want to see a table view, go to table. This is just a real quick review of my last night's video. Alright, and all you want to do is you can click the X, it'll clear stuff. And then you can, it sees here you haven't changed, you haven't have any settings here, so it doesn't really default to anything. But see, 45 days expiration. It's only showing you normal expirations, because in settings right here, hold on, maybe I can scroll, here we go. If you click on settings right here, it'll ask show all expirations or show only regular. If you're starting out new, just do regular expirations. All right, it's just a lot easier. It's more liquid, and it's more predictable, consistent. All right, I like to use the curve view, which is up here. And again, you want to remember these numbers. 84% out of the money, close to, is what you're selling, and you want to be buying 2% in the money. The wings, meaning so you don't have unlimited risk there. But basically, this is a synthetic naked strangle, 45 days out. Okay, you're selling the 1 standard deviation out of the money puts and calls, and you're buying the 2 standard deviation puts and calls. As long as the stock stays in this green area, you're making money at the end of 45 days. Okay, your chance of making 50% of your max profit and walking away is about 88%. All right. So again, if you're starting out, that's, if you have time, just kind of take a look and get some numbers in your head. Meaning, if you're in Tasty Trade, you can see SPY is at 243.14. It's down a little bit, and you want to watch. If this stays down below 243.15 or so, hold off to more towards the end of the day, because IB rank should be climbing. It's at 6 right now. Hopefully it goes a little bit higher. Let me check the chart right here, and I'll go back to my 1 minute chart. It's gonna flicker a little bit because the market just opened. See, I like this. Here's the 1 minute chart. I want it to stay red like that. Okay, yeah, as long as it stays. Okay, so overnight high and lows. Here's what I'm looking for. On my 15-minute chart, I want to make sure. Okay, so see here, this is the low for overnight. I want it to go, I'm watching this right here. I want it to go below 243.04. Okay, or at least stay below 243.11. Right now it's not. It has to go below this for it to continue to go down. Or it might be an inside range. If it's an inside day, it'll stay in between this low and below the high. Okay, then it'll kind of stay in between here. Me personally, I don't want that. I want it to go lower throughout the day. I'm hoping for a drop on the opening. Okay, but the hard part is when it gaps down. This is a gap down, meaning not really a big gap, but I mean here it closed here and it opened here, so there's a gap in the middle. And I kind of like it better when it goes up higher in the beginning, then it drops, gaps up and then drops. But I'll take whatever I can get for now. The reason why, don't get me wrong, I want the market to go up eventually. I just want it to go down first. Okay, I want it to break below here and go down, only because that creates volatility in the market. Again, IB rank will climb up like this, and then the golden geckos we sell, or the premium you sell, you can sell them for more money, and therefore your profit is higher. That's the only reason why. Now again, disclaimer, I don't personally trade the golden gecko anymore. I started out this way. I moved on to something that proprietary that I trade. Seems to be a lot, it works a lot better for me. Just takes a lot longer to explain, and that's the whole reason why private coaching came about, because I was able to teach those to people who wanted it. Link to that information is down below in the comments area. Feel free to hit thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want my free charts, I will send them over to you as well. Just send me an email, okay, to goldengecko@gmail.com. All right, so that's what I'm looking out for today. Market just opened, so there's really nothing to point out just yet. I'll go through real quick. Here's ES. Yeah, here's ES. Let's go to IWM, which is right here. I'll just type it in faster. Yeah. Shoot. IWM hasn't really done anything yet. It's too early yet. But anyway, that's what I'm looking out for. Kind of want it to continue down. I don't like that. I want it to go down more, but whoops. Wrong button. Yeah, I would love for it to continue to go down, but it's going to try and fill this gap, I think, which if this can climb high and not have a big move, then everything's up here, and then when it goes further down, because this is move higher to move higher up, okay, and if the stochastics, if these all get to the top, and yeah, the market moves up a little but doesn't move up too much, then it'll be a nice turnover. It comes down, that's good, that's good. Come on, I want it to go down, and then it'll go lower, and you can do something like that as well. All right, I'm going to get busy watching the market. You guys have a great day. Hope to see some new subscribers. Say hi, and I'll talk to y'all later.